Guided meditation for mindfulness. Find a comfortable seat, either on a cushion on the floor or in a stable chair. Scan your body and make any adjustments needed so you can relax completely. Choose whether you feel more relaxed with your eyes gently closed or softly open. Take a deep breath in through your nose, sending the breath down into your belly. As you exhale slowly out through your mouth, feel your body sinking into the support beneath you. Continue with a few more slow, full breaths, releasing any tension you're carrying and arriving fully in the present. Set your intention for this practice. Perhaps something like, "May I cultivate mindfulness, patience, and clarity." Repeat this silently to yourself. As you breathe naturally, turn your attention to the subtle sensations of air moving in and out. Notice the temperature and quality of each inhale and exhale. Observe without needing to change anything. When thoughts arise, which they will, picture them drifting by like clouds crossing a vast sky. Allow them to pass without judgment, keeping your focus on the breath. You may become aware of sounds in your environment. Simply notice them, then return to following your breath, like waves rhythmically rolling in and out. If emotions or feelings in your body arise, acknowledge them with self-compassion. Then gently escort your attention back to your ocean of breath. Remember, there's no need to strain. Simply let your mind and body relax into the present moment. This state of mindful awareness is available anytime. As this meditation nears the end, reflect on any emotions, thoughts, or physical sensations you observed without attaching. Know you can return to this mindful presence anytime. On your next inhalation, breathe in peace and clarity. On your exhalation, breathe out anything you're ready to release. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling focused and present. Carry this mindful awareness with you as a refuge through your day.